Hello, who says you have to work for hours and hours every day in order to make money? However, as a disclaimer, this is not a deal for full-time employment, so consider it a side hustle instead. Now, before you view the video, understand that this isn't your typical approach to making money. Today we will be talking about a remote job opportunity. In this video, I will tell you about a great opportunity for a job where you can earn thousands of dollars per month easily. Pearson's Connections Academy. You might have probably seen advertising if you've heard of this company, because I have. Pearson is a testing center, thus if you've ever taken a test, it's likely that it was created by them. As a result, they have a part-time teaching assistant role. That is my absolute favorite thing on the planet. I'm thrilled to be able to share it with you. So I'm not going to waste any time, we're going to get right down to business. Make sure you tap the notification bell and hit the subscribe button. As I previously stated, Connections Academy is a Pearson company. This is a public online school that does not charge tuition. That intrigues me greatly. I would have enjoyed this back in the day, because even though I am a huge supporter of education, I disliked going to school. They have a lot of positive feedback, so this is fantastic. Now, to get into this lead, this is for a position as a teacher assistant. They may have recently placed this on Glassdoor, which is why I'm only now discovering it. It's part-time and based in the United States. And, in terms of pay, it appears that it will pay around $14 per hour. I am aware that it is not the most lucrative job. However, it is part-time, and you are working at a virtual school, which is a fantastic opportunity. And you know, when you break it down, that's around $1,000 each month. In terms of criteria, it states that you must have a high school diploma or a GED. You must be computer aware, which means you must be able to use Google Apps for education, learning, and management, as well as online conferencing applications such as Zoom. After that, you must be accessible for 20 hours every week. Be able to maintain discretion and confidentiality, and at least 1 year of experience is preferable. So, it means it would be preferable if you had prior experience, but if you don't, that's fine as well. So, as long as you have those other things, this is a role where no experience is required. So, let's get started. Company summary states, at Pearson, we're committed to a world that's always learning and to our talented team who makes it all possible. From bringing lectures vividly to life to turning textbooks into laptop lessons, we are always re-examining the way people learn best, whether it's one child in our own backyard or an education community across the globe. We are bold thinkers and standout innovators who motivate each other to explore new frontiers in an environment that supports and inspires us to always be better. By pushing the boundaries of technology and each other to surpass these boundaries, we create seeds of learning that become the catalyst for the world's innovations, personal and global, large and small. Pearson Virtual Schools K-12 Group provides high-quality, highly accountable online education solutions to schools, school districts, and students in grades K-12. It serves families and schools with a variety of digital learning and online school solutions, including Connections Academy, International Connections Academy, and Pearson ConNexus. In 2017, it delivered online learning to over 400,000 students in the US and 48 countries. Position summary: working from home, the teacher assistant will be part of a team of educators providing instructional support to Connections Academy schools and district programs. Teaching certification is not required to be a teacher assistant. Primary responsibilities: data entry including course reductions, clerical work setting up message boards and landing pages, sending out reminder messaging to students and families, taking attendance, updating educational recordings to match requirements, and other duties as assigned. Pearson Virtual Schools is focused on providing a flexible work environment for its employees, including the ability to work from home on a regular basis in most positions. We believe that flexibility in work-life balance is a critical part of our culture and employee satisfaction, and we are proud to provide to our employees the ability to work from anywhere, anytime. In exchange, we require that employees have the appropriate means to work remotely, including adherence to our work-at-home policies regarding home office setup, including but not limited to privacy of records, technology standards, equipment standards, and expectations. The following equipment will need to be provided by you as the employee when working from home: laptop and headset. Can't get any simpler than that. Requirements: high school diploma or GED, technologically proficient especially with Google Apps for Education learning management platforms, HTML, and web conferencing software, strong administrative skills, ability to use discretion and maintain all confidentiality, ability to work up to 20 hours a week, 1+ years of experience preferred. Capabilities: customer-centric, acts with a strong customer mindset, both internal and external, and is a visible advocate for the customer. Builds strong relationships with customers and uses those to improve their experience and outcomes. Communications: a great communicator who engages teams and stakeholders with thoughtful delivery and messages that resonate. Works well in a matrix, models collaboration, solves problems with peers, builds trust and support. Takes personal responsibility, can be relied on to complete tasks timely and well, demonstrates ownership, regardless of the outcome, proactive in exploring and exploiting new opportunities. Behaviors: high level of integrity and transparency, high degree of flexibility, positive attitude, evidence of a strong work ethic, demonstrated team player. So you, my friends, may determine if this is right for you. However, it is only part-time. Moreover, guess what? Everything discussed here is not related to a phone. You need a laptop and a headset to get started. As a result, I'm aware that someone has already begun the application process. I'm sure a lot of people will be interested in this one. So, if this is your lead, click the Apply Now button in the top right corner. Don't hesitate to apply. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.